Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today we will talk the way how we can lock the application or our iPhone with passcode and Face ID. So first thing you have to do is just make sure that your iPhone is already completed or activated the Face ID and the passcode to lock your screen. And after you already done it, you just need to slide your screen into the left side and you just need to type shortcuts on the app library search button. So make sure you got this application. If you cannot find it, open the App Store and install it. But sometimes this application is already default. Install it into your phone. So open it. Wait until it's perfectly open, and then you just need to go click this automation in the middle and go click this plus button right there. And then you just need to scrolling down, or you can just tap app here, and then you just need to go click it. And now we just need to click this side, which is this is open rather than is closed. And please change from run after confirmation into run immediately, so that this action will be automatically running without any confirmation. And then you just need to choose what application that you want to lock here. And let's say here I would like to lock this one, and then you just need to go click done. And then you just need to go click next. And the next thing you need to do is just go click new blank automations here, and then you just need to go click add action and tap in the search button here lock screen. And after you got them, you just need to go click it, and then you just need to go click done. So whenever this application is open, it will be automatically lock your screen, and you can open this application just after you have your face or enter the passcode of your iPhone. Let's just check it. Let's open the application first, and it's locked it. So that is the way guys how you can lock the application with the passcode or Face ID. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.